Y'all. Bro, my jaw's low-key hurting, like. And do not start spamming good boy in the chat. That just makes it look weird. Don't start saying that, bro, I'm for real. If y'all start spamming good boy, I'm finna block y'all. Stop spamming good boy in the chat, bro. Nobody's a good boy. I'm just trying to eat this 40-pound gummy bear. I'm being for real. Y'all need to stop spamming good boy. Nobody's a good boy. Y'all need to stop spamming good boy before I really start crashing out. I'm for real. Y'all need to stop spamming that, y'all. Let me eat my gummy bear and please stop spamming good boy. Stop spamming good boy, y'all, cause if y'all keep spamming him, I'ma really start crashing out. Y'all don't want to see me crash out, so stop spamming it, y'all. But if y'all do see a follow button, hit that follow button, y'all. What is bro practicing for? Oh, I'm just eating a gummy bear. Have y'all never ate a gummy bear before? Bro, why y'all keep spamming that? Why y'all keep spamming good boy, bro? Look, if y'all gonna keep spamming that, y'all, then I'm not gonna eat it no more. I'm not gonna eat it no more if you guys are gonna keep spamming that. What I tell y'all, I don't like getting called good boy while I'm trying to eat a gummy bear. Imagine if you guys were trying to eat a gummy bear and someone kept calling you guys good boy, just for eating a gummy bear. Would you guys like that? See, I told you guys don't want to see me crash out for real. I did. Would you guys like if somebody told you good boy every time you took a bite out of a gummy bear? Would you guys like that? No, exactly. So if you guys don't like it, then why are you guys gonna do it to somebody else? Let me eat my gummy bear without any problems, please. Cause next time, y'all, I have to address it. I'm gonna really crash out, and you guys don't want to see me crash out. What did I just say about you guys calling me good boy? Like, look at me. Am I laughing right now? Am I laughing right now? Do I got a smile on my face? No. Why you guys keep saying that, bro? I told y'all stop saying that. Why y'all keep saying it? Why? If you guys are just gonna start being mean and saying mean things, then I'ma just end the live, because why am I going live just for you guys to be mean? Why? So y'all just want me to end the live, right? That's what y'all want? Is that what y'all want? Yes or no? Just for me to end the live because you guys are being rude. Is that what y'all want for real? Because why is everybody keep spamming that? Like, you guys are making me crash out right now, and I don't want to crash out. I want to eat my gummy bear. I don't want to crash out. I want to eat my gummy bear, but I can't do that when you guys keep spamming that. Yes, we do want you to end your live. Alright, y'all. I'm going to just end my live, bro. I just wanted to eat this gummy bear with y'all, but I see how it is. I guess I'll just never eat anything gummy again, since you guys just want to be mean. But I bet, y'all. I'll see when I feel like going back on live. Everybody just wants to be mean and everything, and you guys aren't even following. Can you guys at least follow? Like, instead of being mean, because I'm going to just throw this all away. Like, I'm going to just throw it all away because everybody just wants to be mean. everybody just wants to be mean to me. So I'm gonna just throw it all away.